Alright, here is the Dreo mini fan. I really like this thing. I've already tried it out. But I'm going to take you through some of the things I like about it. First things first, let's plug it in. The first thing I like, it gives you an audible, letting you know you have power. Another thing I really like is build quality, not just of the remote, but of the fan itself. It does not feel like cheap plastic. It's got some weight to it. It's not going anywhere. Some pretty satisfying clicks when adjusting it. And the remote as well is very good quality. It just feels really nice. The buttons feel really great. But let's go ahead and turn it on here. Alright, there we have one. And I can't really see how well the wind is blowing. This is the lowest setting. Oh, up to 4. Then let's see. Nope. Oh, yeah, all kinds of different settings. But I can't tell you, it moves some air for that tiny little fan. That thing, my wife and I were both shocked. And then, of course, so, and you even got a timer. You can set a timer to however long you want it to run. Let's cut it off. But yeah. Oh yeah. Your instruction manual, quick start guide. Just all very well done. Highly impressed and highly approve.